Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request a refund on Skool. First, you may want to head over to skool.com and of course, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on this icon beside the Skool logo or your community and click on it. Now head over to the community. Then once inside, head over to the members page. And next, you can use the filter button and filter for the admins only. Then apply. Now the best way to request a refund is to contact the admin directly. All you have to do is click on the chat button beside your profile and a new chat window will then pop up and all you have to do is ask them that you would like to request for a refund. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!